The great thing about this homemade ginger ale is that you get to choose the amount of sugar it contains. We'll start by slicing up some ginger. We want about a cup of chopped ginger. You can peel your ginger if you want to, but I find that when the ginger is young and the skin isn't too thick, you don't really need to peel it. Once we've got a cup of chopped ginger, we can transfer it into a pan, along with 2 cups of water. An optional extra is some lime zest for super zingy freshness. Bring this up to a simmer, turn the heat off and let it steep for about 30 minutes. At which point we can remove the ginger with a sieve, making sure we get all that ginger juice before adding that delicious liquid back into the pan. Right now, the ginger flavour can be super fiery, so we can temper that with some sugar. What makes this ginger ale recipe perfect is that you get to choose how much or how little sugar to add. I'm adding about ½ a cup here, but if you like it sweeter, then add some more. We simply need to stir this over a low heat to dissolve the sugar, and after a couple of minutes, the sugar is just about all dissolved. We can bring this up to a simmer for a couple of minutes, just to reduce it down slightly, before transferring to a jug. Believe me, it's much easier getting the liquid into the bottles with a jug rather than trying to pour it straight from the pan. Ready for some perfect pouring? Here we go. Careful now. Breathe. One bottle done. Bottle number 2. Don't forget to breathe. Perfect. This ginger juice will keep in airtight bottles like this for a couple of weeks in the fridge, if it lasts that long. How do we turn this into our delicious ginger ale? We just need to pour some ginger juice over some ice and top it with sparkling water. Give it a quick stir to mix it all together before garnishing with a wedge of lime and a sprig of mint. And that's our super delicious, super refreshing, super simple ginger ale.